I'll just give a quick walk around here. Yeah, there's the bumper. But yeah, it's got some weathering on it. Koenig wheels on it. They all leak and one of them's cracked, so. And T-tops there. Piece of trim missing right here. My A-pillar. Small piece, the small trim there that goes on both the T-tops. I believe those are back here. I think the clips on them are broken. One of them's back here. The rear seats are pretty decent shape. Carpet's in decent shape. Small bit of wear on the passenger seat. Center console, automatic transmission. So here's the rear hatch. The seal on it is on the rear hatch, and the window is bad. Tried to get it sealed up a couple of times with no luck, and I just opened it and water was obviously sitting in there. But well, there's the rear of the vehicle. There's the exhaust. Got duals. Did a little bit of the work. I tried to, before I took off and moved, I was in the process of getting the true dual cold air intake back together and everything. But yeah, it doesn't, when I looked under it, it doesn't appear to have any rust on the inside of the fender wells. But yeah, the tires are all flat and everything else. So hood insulators been ripped up by, little mice and animals. But upon inspection of a lot of the wiring and stuff, it does not appear that any of the wiring has been damaged or chewed on, or chewed through for that matter. Looks like there's one little rust hole here. This is the driver's side. The front is pretty good. No rust holes there. The side might be a little bit more difficult to see for me because it's mixed with shed, but